At Domino's, we've for a long time had data platforms that we've owned and operated here at our headquarters. And we're in the middle of a transformation, moving all that stuff into Azure Databricks. Historically, we found it difficult to manage infrastructure related to some of these AI capabilities. And what I have seen as a leader is a lot of our best talent ends up getting pulled into managing Kubernetes or standing up Spark clusters instead of them working on the innovative applications that would sit up on top of those technologies. We evaluated a lot of different data platforms as we made the decision on what was going to be the right one for Domino's. We landed on Databricks as a company that is really innovating quickly and investing in making capabilities accessible, and then also driving down costs through efficiencies that they're able to realize with Microsoft. As we started our journey to the cloud, we knew the destination of where we wanted to get to, and we're looking for a partner that was gonna enable us to get there quickly. And so we evaluated a number of different options for us, ultimately selecting Lovelytics as our partner. What they brought to the table was a team of experts with years of experience. And they also showed us through that process exactly the team and the leaders that would be working with us day to day. And that experience paired with their commitment to partnership has proven invaluable to us as we begin our journey to the cloud. After signing with Lovelytics, we got started right away, and they quickly became an integral part of our team. It was very difficult to see the line of where our teams ended and their teams began, which has allowed us to have a really quick velocity at delivering that incremental value, partnering with them every single day. Recently, we've made enhancements to our tracker experience, the tracker that Domino's has been known for a long time, to leverage machine learning to give customers better predicted times as to when their carryout experience is going to be ready, so they can pick it up when it's hot out of the oven, and on the delivery side so they can be ready to receive it when it gets to their home. And so as we move on to Databricks, I'm really excited that our best talent's going to be working on solving business problems and not on resolving infrastructure challenges.